Hello everyone, this is Fernando. Welcome to a xolosArmy weekly update. On this video, I am going to talk to you about our very recent news of the week about inside our community. And as you already know, we have created since 40 days ago, more than a month, we created a Teyolía campaign to add as a new chain in THORChain eCash, XEC. Okay, this is inside a very specific context within the chain. Has been copycat. It has been copycatted in its name by a BTC fork, the store fork. Okay, and also inside the context that the eCash XEC does not have presence on any American exchange, centralized exchange right now. So all the liquidity is all together on very few centralized exchanges, and it is very fragile now nowadays. Okay, so THORChain will be like the natural option for all the liquidity to start migrating to it. Okay, because it is more anti-fragile than the centralized exchanges. So people who want to swap from one coin to XEC, they will use THORChain as their best option. THORChain, they have already told their community that they want to be the new Binance, and they want to achieve this by joining all the networks that they can, and UTXO chains are like the natural option for them to add to THORChain, because it is so easy for them to do it, because they have added other UTXO chains in the past. And with eCash XEC, xolosArmy has done all the job for this to happen, all the code, and our merge request is already being reviewed formally by the THORChain core developer named StarSquid. And he have said that he have already tell us what he wanted for him to make this merge. Okay, and we have already done what he wanted. So we are now only waiting for him to do this merge. And also the Bitcoin ABC team has seen all our work, and I think that we have do it very, very good so far, okay, alone. So the Teyolía campaign will finalize in 3 days. We have also sent to the GNC a formal request for them to fund the phase 2 of this project. They have not responded so far, but we will still continue doing this work, because in our roadmap, we want to add THORChain to the UX of Tonalli Wallet. So people inside our community can swap between native assets like BTC, Monero, Dash, or whatever other coin you want to swap, BCH, to XEC natively. Okay, so this will create a market, okay, that will prove itself and make our product viable inside these kind of dynamics. Okay, it is called we will find the product market fit for Tonalli Wallet using THORChain. So I think the campaign will finalize. I don't think GNC will fund it, because clearly they are not interested in building this infrastructure. They don't want to participate in the building of this very important infrastructure. They have other projects, maybe the MasterCard thing or the stablecoin thing in Switzerland. Okay, so we will continue anyway. We love doing this open source project, with THORChain. We love collaborating to create a decentralized world where everyone can permissionlessly swap between assets without needing a centralized bridge, for example, okay, or wrap tokens. So this is one thing. Other thing that I want to tell you about is other project that we are we have done some things, okay? We have advanced in the project so far enough, okay? For this project is for miners, okay? It's a mining pool, a xolosArmy mining pool, and we have advanced a lot so far, okay? So far that we will prove with actual miners how they add their workers inside the pool. So that is one thing that we want to do these trials, okay, in the following days. Maybe if some of you miners, you can participate. We want to take to production this application for miners to join, and the condition for miners will be to have our token, the xolosArmy token, so they can join as miners inside our pool. So we are giving actual value to the community token by doing this. Okay, it will be a monthly subscription using our token. So maybe tomorrow we will turn on one miner, maybe, to see how the worker is added to the pool, and if it goes well, we will be having an actual product to be shown to you. If not, we will continue debugging, okay, the software that we are creating right now. We also created a Teyolía campaign for this, but the product itself has a plan for it to be profitable. Okay, no matter if it is funded by the community or not, it will be, as I already told you, a monthly subscription using xolosArmy token for miners inside eCash to join. Okay, this will make the ecosystem more resilient in terms of hashing power. Okay, because we'll be people that actually care about the network, that want to mine eCash. Okay, without being asked for fees. For example, we don't ask for fees. It will be a monthly subscription. Okay, so we don't take fixed fees from the mining. You only have to have certain amount of RMC and you can start mining. Okay, so that is the actual plan, the actual roadmap that we are implementing in xolosArmy. And related to eCash Mexico, we have starting this education stuff with articles, first positioning ourselves inside the Google indexers, and then we plan to go to physical meetings and start meetings ourselves. So we create an actual community, okay, where we can teach them how to use our technology, our wallet. That is the Tonalli Wallet. You can visit our wallet or download it from the browser, looking at app.tonalli.cash. Okay? And it has the best of the practices. Okay, we use the best of the practices for security and for self-sovereignty. So you can start using this wallet and start creating culture as consensus. Okay, we want culture as consensus and people actually using the technology to be more sovereign every day. So I am Fernando, and this was our xolosArmy Network Weekly Update. I hope you got it, what we are doing, that I explained myself. Okay, thank you very much, and goodbye.